Hi guys, welcome to my channel Java Trends. For latest update in every weeks, like and subscribe my channel. So our next question is what is overriding? Okay, what is overriding? Two methods are said to be overridden if and only if both methods having same name with exactly same number of parameter and same return type as superclass. Okay. In overloading, what is overloading? These two are like very confusing, that overloading and overriding. So you need to better interact this one, that what is the difference, and you need to know the difference between the overloading and overriding. Okay, so now we see the overriding, then we are talking about the difference between them. So what is overriding? Two methods are said to be overridden if and only if both methods having same name with exactly same number of parameter and same return type as a superclass. Okay. So the method is called overriding if the method name is same and the parameter is also same and the return type is also same. Okay. Suppose I am taking an example. So seeing this one, this is the method void add int x. Okay, this is the add method which have only one parameter and the return type is void. Okay, and in the below method, this is also the add method. The method is name is same, which have also one parameter. So the parameter is also same. Okay, one parameter, and this method have also the return type void. So the return type is also same. So now this is called overriding. Okay, so what is the necessary condition of overriding? The necessary condition of overriding is the method name should be same and the return type and the parameter also need to be same. Okay, so all these are need to be same. The method name also, the method name also, and the parameter also, and the return type also. Okay, so now we are talking about the difference between the overloading and overriding. Okay, so what is the difference between overloading and overriding? A method is called overloaded if the method name is same, method name is same, but the parameter are different. The method name is same and the parameter are different. Here the method name is same, so this is called as overriding. Okay, what is called overriding? If the method name is same and the return type is same and the parameter is same, then it is called as overriding. And what is called as overloading? If the method name is same but the parameter is different, so that is called as overloading. Okay, so if the parameter is different and the method name is same, so that is called overloading. So this is the difference between the overriding and overloading. Okay, so now we will see the practical session for better clarification. This one is the example of method overriding. Okay, so see this one. This is the class vehicle. This is the first one class which have only one method void run. Okay, so now I create again create a class test and we extend the vehicle class. Okay, extends vehicle. So when we extends vehicle, so that is the void run method. So see this one, in method overriding the method name is same. Okay, this is the run method and this one is also run method. Okay, and the method name is same and the return type is also same. Okay, and the return type is also same and there is no parameter in the parameter section. See this one, in the first run method there is no parameter and in the second method also no parameter. So now this is completely a method overriding. Okay, because it satisfied the necessary condition. So what is the necessary condition of overriding? The method name should be also same and the parameter and the return type also same. Okay, so now so what is the output of this program? So in overriding, when we override the first one method to second one, so the output will be always the second method. Okay, so if I run this program, So the output is bike is running safely. Okay, so see this one, because the name of the method is same. So what is the output? Now we override this run method. Now we override this run method. So that's why it is bike is running safely. The output is bike is running safely. So this is the output of the program. So this is the example of method overriding. That method name is same, and the parameter are also same, and the return type is also same, and whatever the content present in the base class, it is overridden in the child class. So why it is overridden? Because the method name are same, both these method are same, and the parameter and the return type is also same. Okay, so this is the method overriding. Okay.